Alright guys, in the room, my Desmond Mason here. It's 10:09 p.m. January 6th. We are going to go live. We are live. 10:09 p.m. 10:09 p.m. We are going to grab the list. $11 spots. Drop that into random. Paulo on the bottom and Paulo on top. We'll roll 2 dice, 5 or higher, 11 entries. And we have a 6. We're going 6 times. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5 times. Dice shows a 6. Next click wins. Good luck. And 6. Congrats to Paulo. Spot number 11. You are the winner. Get in touch with me. I will get you your bobblehead. We are done. 10:10 p.m. We'll go back to the post. We will type done. We are done. 10:10 p.m. 10:10 p.m. There is the timestamp and verification code.